So let's get on with the video, guys. So first, what you have to do is sign up for Fiverr affiliates, right? Now, if you haven't signed up, I know you guys are affiliates. I know you guys want to make money online, but if you haven't signed up, sign up with the link in the description before you do anything else. Please sign up with the link in the description so that when you make money, I also make money, so I can also make a 10% of what you make, right? So here's the commission plan. We start the commission plan. So once you sign up for with the link in the description, right, I'll earn 10% or whatever you earn, right? So the first traffic method I'm going to show you, right, is Facebook groups, right? So Facebook groups, what you're gonna do when it comes to Facebook groups, let's go to Facebook groups. What you're gonna do when it comes to Facebook groups, first you choose a category. First go to Fiverr, you choose a category, right? So as you can see, let me just search whatever Let me just search something. First you go to Fiverr, right? You choose a category. You have to be very strategic when it comes to promoting Fiverr, because it's not easy for everybody to just take out money and then just spend whatever it is that Fiverr is offering. It's not an easy thing unless if they want it that bad. So I have already 2 examples which I've brought already of my own, right? So I see here writing a transaction. I see here it says job description, right? So what you can do, you can join a Facebook group, right? A Facebook group, right? You can just say jobs, right, near you, right, or in whatever, jobs near you, jobs wherever, right? And then you go to these groups, you filter by groups, you open these groups, right? You join these groups, right? You talk to the people, you write a convincing text saying that, look, are you looking, look, I understand that a job description is very important. Maybe you may not be that good at writing a job description. So I found out that you can pay someone $5. You write a story as if it was you, but it's not you. You write a story saying that I've paid someone $5 to write this job description for me, and a week later I signed up for a job and then I got the job, right? So that's what you do. So you join all these groups and then you just write that same thing, right? You write that same thing and then you see whether you get a customer or not, right? And then what you can do, if you have the money for it, is to join the group again. You join the group, not again, you join the group, then you go to the group admin, right? You tell the group admin, look, pin my post to the top so it can be here at the top. Like, you see, this is not going anywhere. Whenever somebody opens the group, they'll see it. New member, old member, it doesn't matter what. Someone will see this thing, right? So you pay someone, you pay the group admin to be like, pin my post at the top, and then everybody who enters the group, new or old, they'll see your post and then they'll read it, and then if they're willing to buy, if they want to buy, they will buy, right? And then that's not it. Let me see. That's not the only one. So you can also search small business, right? And then you say groups, filter by groups again. So you join all these groups, right? Now what you're going to be promoting at small groups as a virtual assistant. Who is virtual assistant? So a virtual assistant is basically somebody who's going to help them, right? But do certain tasks that they can't do. Like, for instance, you can just pay someone $5 to be like, let's see, write an email for me. I can't write. I don't have time for email. I don't have time to write an email. Do my Exceling for me. Write phone numbers. Go collect personal emails. Go collect emails. Go do 1, 2, 3 that you may not have time to do, right? So then you go to these Facebook groups, you enter, you're like, look, if you find that you have no time and you need somebody to do 1, 2, 3 for you, you can just pay this virtual assistant $5, and this virtual assistant will help you in 1, 2, 3. There was a virtual assistant I hired, right? And then they helped me get my tasks done. I told them to go collect. I paid $5 for them to go collect emails, and after an hour, they already collected 30 emails, and out of those 30 emails, I got a sale, right? So yeah, and then you just write like that, and then the second traffic method, right, is YouTube. So why is YouTube the second traffic method, right? So what you can do on YouTube, right, is say, for instance, how to use Canva. Canva, right? Somebody searches how to use Canva, you can make videos on how to use Canva, but your whole point is not how to use Canva. Your whole point is to promote your link, right? So what you do at the beginning of the video, you create your intro, then after the greeting, then you promote your link, saying that look, you can hire someone on Canva. You can hire someone on Canva to come to you can hire someone on Canva to do the designs for you if you're finding it a bit difficult to make the nice designs, right? And then you're showing them this on how to use it and explain to them to be like, look, you have to be very specific on what you want and on how you want these people to do it, so that you can avoid situation where like somebody brings what you don't want, you understand? Explaining and talking about it, right? And then when somebody comes and buys, you earn a commission, right? And then what else? Another example, with YouTube is also how to use Linktree, like how to use Linktree, right? So somebody will be searching how to use Linktree, right? How to make a Linktree, right? And then that's when you make a video saying that this how you use a Linktree, this how you make a Linktree, right? You do 1, 2, 3, but then at the beginning of the video you say that, look, you can just simply pay someone in Fiverr, Linktree. Pay someone on Fiverr to simply make a Linktree for you, and then you earn your commission, and then yeah, that's simply it. And then also the last example is by removing a background, right? So remove background, right? So then what you can do is just make a video saying that this is how I remove my background. I went and paid someone on Fiverr and they did it for me. That's all you can simply do. Like, you don't have to do anything serious, right? Because if you're to use Photoshop, that would be very difficult, right? Or you can do using Canva, saying that this is how I did using Canva. But if you're willing to pay, you can pay someone $5 in Canva, then they'll do it on Fiverr for you, then they'll do it for you, right? And that's simply it, right? I remember what I said. To sign up for affiliate, to sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program, you can. Now this is how you get your deed. Now this is how you get your link to that page, right? So what you do is that first you copy this link, right? Then you come here, LP link, you add the link, and then once you're done, you just press like this. Now you copy CPA's cost per action. That's the one we're gonna use, not business, not sub affiliate, not workspace, not learn, not hybrid, CPA, right? And then now this is your affiliate link. And then when somebody clicks the link in the description or clicks your Facebook link, right, they'll be taken to that page, right? And then that's literally it, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed.